Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the clip and isolating the audio track so adjustments won't degrade video. Once done, listen to a short noisy segment at 0.5x. This makes hiss and hum obvious. Make sure to enable waveform view so you can see peaks and steady noise. Quickly trim to one problematic section to iterate faster. You're not setting final levels yet. You're identifying the noise profile and confirming the part you'll use to tune reduction settings. Now you apply the noise reduction effect and work in small increments. Start with a mild reduction amount and loop that trimmed section while raising sensitivity until noise drops without choking voices. If VN offers a noise gate, set the threshold so background noise is removed between phrases, but speech remains intact. Add a high-pass filter around 80-120 Hz to cut rumble, or a low-pass near 812 kHz to tame hiss. Always toggle bypass to compare before/after. You finish by exporting a short clip and listening on headphones and phone speakers to confirm balance. If speech lost presence, add gentle EQ peaks near 24 kHz and use de-essing for harsh sibilance. Do this sparingly so you don't reintroduce noise. Once satisfied, apply the same settings to the full track and render the final video. If you hear warble or metallic artifacts, back off the reduction amount, increase smoothing, or consider re-recording the source for the cleanest result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.